Welcome to another Almost Tech. One thing that I haven't talked about in this channel before, and probably it's my fault for doing so, because I do love the area so much, especially the technology, but it has like also a bad name, and many people that were used to like it or still like it don't want to talk about it. I still will, about cryptocurrencies and crypto in general, blockchain technology, stuff like that. I've been a very long-term supporter of the technology. I think it's lovely, it's wonderful. Went fully invested on it at some point. I did all the mistakes. And big disclaimer here, of course, you will judge on your own. Do not listen to random people like me on the internet telling you what to do or what they do and feeling like obliged or anything like that, or smart or funny or anything like that to do the same. You will do your own research, and you will of course decide for your own money and self what you want to do with your livelihood and money you have. Do not listen to random people on the internet, even if they seem to be experts on it. So with that all said, today we have a little box from a company that has to do with crypto and cryptocurrency, namely the company for that, at least for me, which is crypto.com. It's for me a wonderful company. Again, do your own research, of course. And they sent me, totally not sponsored, totally unrelated, and also I do not have any obligation of doing so, but they send stuff to me because I'm a very long-term supporter and of the platform, and they thought that I should have like a little box of something. So let's open the box and find out what's inside. Okay, so let's start with the easy stuff. First things first, out of the box. This is like a small, very small thing which goes over your webcam, and it hides the keyhole for the webcam, so it's like a privacy device, a hardware privacy device that no one can touch from software. I find it very important that they included something like that, which has to do with security all the way. Then we have another one of those, and stickers. Very nice stickers. It's the kind that goes on stuff like laptops and cars and stuff like that, and you don't even see it being stuck on it, with the logo that you can also cut out and just use the logo as on small, or the name of the company. Great. Then we have something that is very much expected and stuff like that. T-shirt that goes along with a cat, probably. I think they got my size, or maybe it's a bit bigger. Better to be bigger than smaller, certainly. With, of course, the logo, great quality. Not too thick, not too thin. 100% cotton, wonderful. It's kind of navy blue, like the box that they sent the stuff on. Wonderful. Then there's a box which we will keep for later, and the obligatory for anything that has to do with US as well, baseball hat or just hat, which has a great quality inside. There's like the pattern of crypto.com, very nicely made, and the logo here, it's pure pitch black. And it goes along with a naughty cat that wants to be in the video. and that you can arrange back here, and it also goes here inside. Oh, if you have slack on the back of the hat, it goes inside there and doesn't just hang out, and you can just wear it. Very good fit. Then I'm already laughing because I know what it is. A pair of socks. It's crypto.com socks, mind you, with the logo. I will certainly wear them in winter and cross my feet and watch people recognize the pattern and what it means. I'm very interested in the kind of discussion that this will start. And finally, yeah, we said about the stickers and stuff like that, all the things inside. Finally, we have this box, which I certainly don't know what it is. Something extra. Oh, I know what it is. So, this is a charger, a wireless charger for your phone with USB-C on the back. It doesn't include the power brick as per norm nowadays. They always keep the power adapter for environmental reasons, of course. But this is a very nice crypto.com wireless charger. 15 watts for your phone. Just place it here like that and it charges. Thank you crypto.com for doing this, for sending. You didn't have to do anything for me. I'm trusting the platform many years now, and I've always had like a good experience, especially with the way that they keep their promise to always be compliant. And well, you probably heard about them. If you have to do anything with crypto, crypto.com is a natural destination for any of those needs. Again, I have to note that this is not financial advice. I'm just a random guy on the internet that has received stuff from a cryptocurrency exchange. Take it with a grain of salt. This is not like a paid promotion. This is nothing to do with that. What I will do for you, if you're interested, I will include like a code. If you want to join crypto.com, you will probably get like a bonus, and I will get something from it as well. If you decide to do it with my link. If not with my link, doesn't matter. Thank you very, very much for watching this video, and see you on the next one. Well, didn't expect that one.